Hello dear students. So today I am going to deal with the numericals on star and delta. See the question. Three equal impedances each having resistance of 8 ohm and inductive reactance of 6 ohm are connected in star connection and in the second case delta connection. Across 440 volt 3 phase AC supply. Calculate phase current means IPH, line current means IL, total power means P. So take the given data. Resistance is given how much? 8 ohm, that is R is equal to 8 ohm. Inductive reactance is given, that is denoted as XL, which is given 6 ohm. And across 440 volt supply. Remember, always in the problem the voltage which is given, that is should be taken as supply voltage, that is always line voltage, which is equal to 440 volt, because in the star delta becomes two voltage, line voltage and phase voltage. This you can always consider as line voltage. Okay, see here, this is the connection diagram. In simple, the star connection, this is the impedance, which is a combination of resistance and inductive reactance. Or else here you can see R 6 ohm, 8 ohm, 6, 8, 6, 8, that is R plus JXL, and the supply voltage is 440 volt between any two lines. Here it is 440, and if you measure here, this also 440, or first and third also 440. Okay, let us calculate the impedance per phase. Impedance per phase means this is ZPH. Impedance per phase means one winding, across one winding, that is equal to, the formula is square root of R square plus XL square, that is equal to square root of R square means 8 square plus XL means 6 square. So you'll get 10 ohm. Okay, the unit of impedance is in ohm, resistance is also in ohm, inductive reactance is also in ohm, and if it is given capacitor reactance, that the unit is also ohm. Dear students, so listen carefully. That is, for star connection the important formulas are line voltage equal to √3 times phase voltage, or VPH is equal to VL divided by √3, and line currents is equal to phase currents, and power is equal to √3 VLIL cos pi, power factor is equal to R by Z, and current per phase is equal to voltage per phase by impedance per phase. Let us calculate for case 1 star connection IPH, IL and power, which is given in the question to calculate the IPH, IL and P. So first one, IPH is equal to VPH by ZPH. This is the formula. VPH means voltage per phase, but VPH is not given in the question. It is given VL, not VPH. Always it will be VL. So therefore the formula to calculate VL is equal to √3 VPH, or VPH is equal to VL by √3. So first calculate the VPH is equal to VL by √3 for star connection, and it is different for delta, 440 by √3. So we will get 254 volt, that is a VPH. Therefore substitute here 254 divided by ZPH is, already we have done calculation, that is 10 ohm, divided by 10 is equal to, so you will get 25.4 ampere, that is a IPH. And once you calculate the IPH value and VPH, so IPH is done 25.4 ampere. Second bit is IL. For star connection, IL is equal to IPH. Remember, the important formulas are very important in the star connection and delta connection. So based on the formula you can solve any type of problems. IL is equal to IPH, so which is equal to what? IPH is 25.4. So this is the answer for second case. First case is IPH, you have done calculation. Second is IL, same 25.4 ampere. And last third one is power. P is equal to √3 VL IL into cos pi. Dear students, again I written again, VPH is equal to VL by √3, 254, IPH is equal to VPH by ZPH, 25.4, IL is equal to IPH, 25.4, P is equal to √3 VL IL cos pi. So we know the value of VL 440, IL 25.4, but need to calculate the cos pi. That is, cos pi is equal to R by Z, that is R is equal to 8 ohm, and the magnitude of impedance Z is 10 ohm, so we get 0.8 power factor. And finally you can calculate the power. P is equal to root 3 into VL. VL is equal to 440, IL is equal to 25.4, and power factor is equal to 0.8. so simplify, you will get 15.486 kilowatt. That is the total power consumed for star connection. Dear students, let us take the second case. Same problem. For delta connection, we need to calculate the IPH, IL and power, and these are the important formulas for delta connection. Here IL is equal to root 3 IPH, or IPH is equal to IL by root 3, one formula. Second one is VL is equal to VPH. Third one is same power, root 3 VL IL cos pi. Power factor value is R by Z. So first I will calculate the impedance. Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL square, square root of 6. R is equal to 8 square plus 6 square, will get 10 ohm. And next, first one is VL is equal to VPH. So VL is given, this always you can take VL which is given in the question. So VL is equal to VPH, which is equal to 440 volt. And next, calculate the IPH is equal to VPH by ZPH. VPH means 440 volt, ZPH means 10 ohm, you will get 44 ampere. And next, IPH is done. Then IL, what is the relation between IPH and IL? IL is equal to root 3 IPH. So just compare the formula and get the answers. So IL is equal to root 3 IPH. This is the formula for delta connection. Root 3 into IPH means 44. So you will get 76.2 ampere. And next step is power factor, because to calculate the power we require the cos pi value. That's why power factor is equal to 8 by 10, 0.8. And last step is total power is equal to root 3 VL IL cos pi. That is, substitute the value of VL 440, IL 76.2 ampere, and power factor is 0.8. So you'll get 46.46 kilowatt. Dear students, this notes is already given, so refer the notes and follow the video so that you can easily understand the star and delta numericals. Thank you.